How to fix one of your contacts not showing up on WhatsApp on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I'll show you the way on how you can actually fix if the WhatsApp contact has disappeared from your Android. But before we get started with the video, if you're new to our channel, to make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So if one of your contacts has been deleted from your WhatsApp chats, there could be multiple reasons and not just one. First thing what you want to check is that whether or not all of your contacts are actually stored on your contacts on your phone. For example, let's say one contact disappeared from WhatsApp, you want to make sure that particular contact is actually not deleted from your phone. WhatsApp and your phone contacts work similar ways, because if you delete the contact from your phone, they're eventually also going to get deleted from WhatsApp, so make sure that is not the case. If that isn't the issue, then other thing we can do is we can open up WhatsApp. And what could have happened was that, let's say you were talking to somebody, now the chat is no longer there. Either you could have accidentally deleted them, but if you're lucky, then you could have actually accidentally archived those chats. So in order to find the archive section, just select the archive button at the top, and here you'll find the hidden chats. For example, if this chat was on the home screen before, so if I unarchive it, you can see on the home screen right over here. But if I go ahead and then archive this accidentally, one of the chats has just disappeared, and that is because it has been moved to the archive section. However, other than that, if you're still not being able to find those chats, then instead what you could do is you could use the search box at the very top right corner and simply search for that particular name. So once you go ahead and search for the particular name, you can see it will show up over here, and you also see the archive section. And you could also go ahead and simply search for other names if you really want to. Once you've done that, you want to make sure that disappearing message is turned off. So tap on their profile, and here you can see disappearing message. You want to make sure that this is turned off. What this does is that it's going to actually delete the messages after 24 hours after viewing them, and that could be another reason why the chat has actually been disappeared. And hopefully these three options will actually work for you and answer your question. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.